Good day everyone! For today's recipe ay gagawa ko ng preserved Atcharang Papaya. Ang gagawin ko pong ito ay task ko po sa hele, which is ang lesson po namin is about food preservation. So naisip ko po na gumawa ng Atcharang Papaya. Ang mga ingredients po ay, of course, fresh green papaya, green and red bell pepper. Kailangan po na mayroong green and red bell pepper para maging colorful po ang ating atchara. Carrots, white and red onions, ginger, garlic, black pepper, salt, at ang pinakamahalaga po natin ingredients ay vinegar. Because sa pamamagitan po ng vinegar ay tatagal po ang ating atchara. And of course, kailangan po natin ng container para dito ilagay ang atchara. So ngayon po ay slice ko na po ang mga ingredients. After combining the shredded papaya and the salt, I will cover this and put it in the refrigerator and soak it overnight. After leaving this overnight, I will squeeze the shredded papaya to remove the liquid. Now, I will make a syrup by heating the vinegar into a cooking pot. When the vinegar starts boiling, I will add the sugar and the salt. I will mix the shredded papaya, white and red onion, garlic, ginger, green and red bell pepper, carrots, and raisins. The vinegar is boiling, so I will put the sugar and the salt. Now, I will mix the syrup and all the vegetables. And I will put this in a sterilized jar. This is my preserved Atcharang Papaya.